So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita ang load balance sa talk and text. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yan guys, mula dito sa mobile phone, itap lang natin yung dial or pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And then dito sa dial guys, i-dial lang natin or i-type natin yung asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then dial na natin. And then after nyan guys, hanapin nyo lang dito yung WAIS hack. So kung makikita nyo, nasa number 10 siya. So ang ilalagay natin dito is number 10, then tap send. And dito nyo na makikita guys yung balance. So nasa number 1 siya. Ito type lang natin is number 1. And then, tap naman ulit natin yung send. So, ayan guys, lumabas na yung pinakang data balance or remaining load balance ng aking talk and text SIM. So, ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano ba makita ang load balance sa talk and text. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And, thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.